Hi Klaus.
Hi Filip. Good morning.
Last time I was in your office, I was shocked that you said that you have many SMBs of Germany hosting companies, like more than 50% of the market share of small companies.
Yeah, exact market share is hard to explain because we don't know how many partners exactly are there, but we're very well known in the German market right now. Yeah.
And Germany market means Austria, Switzerland, and everything.
German-speaking market, exactly. There's no, the internet has no border. Yeah, so we're in the whole German-speaking market. Right.
And also, you mentioned that you are now expanding to new countries like Thailand or something.
Yeah, in Thailand we have a partner who translated and localized LiveConfig into Thai. We have partners, local partners in the Netherlands, in Spain, in France. They're all translating our software and using it there. It's very exciting for us.
Oh, can you just small comparison about like Thailand as example, Spain and Germany? What is the main difference of that markets?
The market
language, of course, but
language, of course, it looks quite strange, all the signs and so on. But the market is very exciting. They're extremely growing right now. So in the German hosting market, there's a kind of saturation. So market growth is limited. But Thailand, for example, where the people start using internet, start creating web pages, it's very impressive there.
Well, can you explain what is ideal panel? Like what is like super mega panel? How it should like for the customer?
The ideal panel is usable by both an end user who has no deeper knowledge of technology behind it and a professional who wants to tune every technical detailed setting. So we have two different kind of user classes, and the ideal panel can be used by both of them, and both are happy.
So ideal panel should have the same interface for the professional and junior, and it will be understandable for both of them.
Basically, yes, but it's the ideal panel maybe is not possible. So there are different approaches. An end user has to be guided to his needs. The professional usually knows what he wants to do, and then just has to search for the functions he uses.
How do you see the future of control panels? As I know, your panel is very light. You can install it very fast. But what is like the future of panels? Where all panels are going now? Or maybe you?
I think they are becoming lighter. They must become lighter because the great trend is going to VPS. In the early days, people had shared web hosting accounts, so the panel was a part of the hoster behind it. It's not something the user had to configure to manage. So more and more people are using VPS, and they need a light panel to just control the things they need, a web page, email, and so on. So the lighter, the better.
Okay, so light is the better. And about like market size, what is your opinion? How many shared hosting are at the world? Like different SMB?
Millions of shared hosting accounts, and I see a big trend in many shared hosting accounts moving to VPS servers. So there's the demand on resources is increasing. WordPress installation is getting bigger and bigger, and so the people trend to run their own VPS, so they're more flexible there.
So like very important trend that earlier person buy like one dedicated server and provide 1,000 shared hosting as example. Now he will provide 1,000 VPSs.
Yes, the margin is additionally much higher in a VPS than in a shared hosting account.
And you just mentioned earlier when I was in the office that when Plesk increase their prices, many customers start tweeting to you. Now they like acquired by the same font. And what is just your opinion about the future? They should maybe possibly increase prices, or just your opinion?
I don't know. Pricing is a very important thing in shared hosting and VPS service and so on. So if you pay, for example, $5 for a VPS and your control panel price increases from $5 to $10, the difference is complicated.
I think that
so. People need stability for pricing. When a web hoster makes plans for his end users and does pricing calculations, he needs to know that his own prices stay stable for some years. And so it's important to have a partner who won't increase prices 3 times, 4 times, 5 times a year.
Okay. I yesterday met your first customer. He said over 2,000 dedicated servers or something. And he was asking about our website builder. And he said that he can make integration by himself. So as I know, you have also good API. Yes.
We do have an API from day one. It's important from the start on. and the user is very excited to get a new site builder system, and he doesn't want to wait until we have integrated, so wants to do the first step. This is very interesting for us also, that he starts getting experience there. Yeah, and we will support him also. Yeah.
Oh, what do you think about website builders? When you started 15 years ago, there were no site builder at that moment.
There was no site builder. Then we had some very big issues with one available site builder who didn't license the images. So many end users got into real trouble using unlicensed images and having to pay fees and so. So we were always looking for a interesting new site builder system and didn't see anyone until, of course, we won you. Yeah.
Or have you heard about our migration tool when person can migrate any website from WordPress to website builder?
Yeah, customers are interested in that feature. We see that many customers are currently migrating to other hosting and website services like Jimdo, Wix, and so on. And basically, people want to stay at their hoster. They have a personal contact, people who can help them in person, and so they're interested. Earlier or later in transferring their website back to their web hoster. So I think that's an important feature.
And maybe, do you like the show? Like, do you have like enough leads for your work?
Yeah. We had a very exciting contact here. So it was great already for us. Yeah.